It was a sunny morning, and Emma felt happy. She decided to visit the coffee shop down the street. Emma liked this coffee shop. It was small but very cozy. She liked the smell of fresh coffee. Emma walked inside. She saw the friendly barista, Tom, smiling at her. "Good morning, Emma," Tom said. Emma smiled back and said, "Good morning, Tom. Can I have my usual coffee, please?" Tom nodded and started making her drink. Emma found a nice seat by the window. She looked outside and watched people passing by. There were kids playing and a woman walking her dog. Emma sipped her coffee. It was warm and sweet. She always enjoyed watching the world from this spot. A little bell rang as the door opened. A man walked in. He looked around and then sat at the table next to Emma. He seemed a bit lost. Emma smiled at him. "Hi, I'm Emma," she said. "Hello, I'm James," the man replied. "I'm new here." Emma felt happy to meet someone new. "Welcome." "This is a nice place," she said. "Yes, it seems very nice," James said. "Do you come here often?" "Yes," Emma replied. "It is my favorite spot to relax." James smiled. "That's good to hear. I just moved to this neighborhood." Emma and James talked for a while. They spoke about the coffee shop, the weather, and the city. Emma felt comfortable talking to James. He was friendly and kind. Emma finished her coffee. She looked at her watch. It was time to go. "I have to leave now," she said. "It was nice talking to you, James." "It was nice meeting you too, Emma," James said. "I hope to see you again." Emma smiled and waved goodbye. She walked out of the coffee shop, feeling happy and content. She loved these small moments, meeting new people and sharing a smile. As she walked home, she thought about the nice morning she had. The sun was shining, and the air was fresh. Emma felt grateful for this peaceful day. She looked forward to her next visit to the coffee shop, where she might meet more friendly faces. It was a good day, full of simple joys and warm connections. Emma knew these little moments made life special.